Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is explanation of linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation with example. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. So let's write. So we can write fundamental explanation of linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation with example. A differential, here I will discuss fundamental explanation of linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation with example. So a differential equation is called linear. A differential equation is called linear if, so can I write every dependent variable and every derivative involved in the first degree only, and the second case and the second one, no product of dependent variable and its derivative occur in the equation. Otherwise it is non-linear. तो यहाँ पे क्या बताया हूँ, एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को लीनियर कब कहेंगे, जब उसका एवरी डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और एवरी डेरिवेटिव इन्वॉल्व इन द फर्स्ट डिग्री ओनली. जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल लेंगे उसका भी डिग्री 1 होना चाहिए और जो डेरिवेटिव लेंगे उसका भी डिग्री 1 होना चाहिए, तब जाकर वो लीनियर होगा. द सेकंड केस क्या बताया हूँ, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और उसका डेरिवेटिव, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल का डेरिवेटिव का प्रोडक्ट नहीं रहना चाहिए. अगर प्रोडक्ट रहेगा देन वी कैन से नॉन लीनियर, अदरवाइज इट इज लीनियर. यहाँ पे क्या बताया हूँ, जो भी डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल रहेगा और उसका डेरिवेटिव रहेगा सभी का डिग्री क्या होगा, 1 होगा. फर्स्ट केस फॉर लीनियरिटी एंड सेकंड केस नो प्रोडक्ट, माने डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और उसका डेरिवेटिव का प्रोडक्ट नहीं रहेगा, तब जाके ये लीनियर होगा. अगर ये इन्वॉल्व होगा तब उसको मैं बोलेंगे नॉन लीनियर. इफ आई टेक वन एग्जांपल देन इट इज क्लियर व्हाटएवर आई हैव रिटन. सपोज कैन आई राइट, इफ आई टेक वन एग्जांपल, dy by dx plus of dy by dx plus 1 equals to x square y square. So here verify it. In this case, who is the dependent variable? Y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. And then verify it. Here the derivative of the dependent variable is there. So here check it, what is the degree in this case. So here, so in this case if I take dy by dx, so here in this case the degree becomes 1. But here in this case if I consider this part in this side, so in the degree of the dependent variable, it becomes 2. So that's why this equation is non-linear. So degree of the dependent variable. So this part, so degree of dependent variable is 2. Therefore equation is non-linear. This is the first case. Here I have written for linearity case. Every dependent variable and every derivative involved in the first degree only. तो यहाँ पे जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होगा उसका डिग्री सभी टाइम 1 होना चाहिए, अगर वो लीनियर हो, ये लीनियर के केस में। तो यहाँ पे देखिए, तब ये जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है इसका देखिए द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल का डिग्री क्या है, 1 से ज्यादा है, मतलब 2 है, इसलिए ये इक्वेशन नॉन लीनियर है। द सेकंड केस, इफ आई टेक अनदर एग्जांपल, d2y by dx square whole square plus of 7xy equals to 9. Then verify it. Who is the dependent variable? Y is the dependent variable. Who is the independent variable? X is the independent variable. Again check it. So what is the degree of the dependent variable? So it becomes how much? So it becomes 1. Degree of the dependent variable. So this part becomes dependent variable. So degree becomes 1. But here in this case, what is the degree of the differential equation? Whatever I have written here, degree it becomes. What do you mean by degree of differential equation? The degree of the differential equation is the highest exponent of the highest order derivative. Here highest order derivative that becomes 2. Order it becomes 2. So the degree it becomes 2. So that's why here degree. So degree it becomes how much? So degree becomes 2. Therefore, here I have already told every dependent variable and every derivative involved in the first degree only. So if you get here first degree, then we can say this is linear. Otherwise, for degree it becomes 2. So that's why this equation, that's why this equation is non-linear. यहाँ पे चेक करना है जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होगा उसका डिग्री 1 होना चाहिए और जो यहाँ पे जो डेरिवेटिव है उसका भी डिग्री 1 होना चाहिए। तो ये 1 से ज्यादा है, ये 2 है डिग्री, so that's why it is non-linear. If I take the another example, suppose d2y by dx square plus of y into dy by dx plus of 7x plus of 9y equals to 10. So here we have verified it. Here y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So the degree of the dependent variable, so it becomes 1. It is fine. Degree of the dependent variable, so it becomes 1. But in this case, here the highest order derivative it becomes 2, but degree becomes 1. If you take the differential case, so here degree becomes 1. The degree of the differential equation is the highest exponent of the highest order derivative. What is the highest exponent in this case? 1. So order it becomes 2, degree it becomes 1. But here in this case, all of you verify. So here I have written product of dependent variable and its derivative. So that's why product of dependent variable and its derivative. Here I have written the second case. No product of dependent variable and its derivative occur in the equation. अगर डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और डेरिवेटिव का प्रोडक्ट इक्वेशन में रहेगा तब मैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे, नॉन लीनियर, अदरवाइज इट इज लीनियर. सो हियर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड इट्स डेरिवेटिव, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉन लीनियर. If I take another example, so can I write d2y by dx square plus of x square into dy by dx x square into dy by dx plus of x into sin y, x into sin y equals to 0. So here verify it. Here y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. It is fine. So here in this case, what is the highest order derivative? So here in this case it becomes 2. So degree becomes 1. Here it is product of the independent variable and this part. So it is not problem. So here if you get the product of the dependent variable and its derivative, then we can say this is nonlinear. So here you have to verify. Can you get a polynomial function in y? No. But sin y function is a transcendental function. Sin y function is a transcendental function. Sin y function is a transcendental function. Is a transcendental function. So that's why, therefore, which implies which is non-linear. So here in this case, all of you know the sin y series. Y minus of, this is what function, y minus y cube by 3 factorial plus y to the power the 5 by 5 factorial minus of, you can write the infinite series. So here in this case, so here sin y, if I write the series in this manner, so the degree of the dependent variable, it becomes more than 1. So you can say nonlinear differential equation. Again we can take another example. Suppose 5. So can I write t into d2y by dt square plus of t square into dy by dt minus of cos of root t into cos of t. So can I write minus of cos of t and into root y equals to 2t square minus 3t plus of 4. So verify who is the dependent variable in this case. Y is the dependent variable and t is the independent variable. Y is the dependent variable, t is the independent variable. But here check it. Whatever I have written the equation, so you must get what is the degree in this case if you take the differential case. So here highest order it becomes 2. So here in this case if we verify this part, so can you get the polynomial function in y? Is it possible? No. Here I have got square root of y. So that's why. So can I write this equation? This equation cannot be written. This equation cannot be written as a polynomial in y. Therefore, which indicates non-linear. So can I write this equation cannot be written as a polynomial in y. So which indicates non-linear. I hope you enjoyed the session and liked the tricks that I have shared you in this video. So don't forget share among your friends and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.